How to open recently delete photos without Face ID on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Collections. On this page, scroll down and go to the Utilities section. From here, tap on Recently Deleted. Then, tap on View Album. You require Face ID or passcode to view this album. You can view all your recently deleted photos and videos over here. Now, go back and open up Settings. Scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. And then, go to Photos. Here, turn off the Use Face ID switch. After that, go back to the recently deleted album in the Photos app. As you can see, you can now open this album without any Face ID or passcode. Following these steps, you can easily open recently delete photos without Face ID on iPhone.